This content is made possible by our sponsor. It is not written by and does not necessarily reflect the views of Engadget's editorial staff. Microsoft's productivity tools are highly entrenched in the corporate world, and Excel in particular is a staple for fields such as finance, marketing, education and business operations. Plus, its usefulness extends beyond the office. You can use Excel's dynamic spreadsheets to plan vacation itineraries, set wedding budgets, or even keep an inventory of the tools in your garage. Learning this program can be worthwhile whether you're aiming for a promotion or trying to stay organized, and the 2022 Complete Microsoft Excel Expert bundle is packed with content that may help you better use its features. Available now for $35, the 12-course collection covers beginner to advanced functions that make Excel a ubiquitous and powerful tool. If you're a first-time user or have only dabbled with Excel on a surface level, you'll find 2 courses that can introduce you to the basics, one of which is dedicated to Mac users. The lessons involve fundamental formatting skills, creating workbooks and working with dates. But if you're an engineer or analyst, you might benefit from the bundle's Visual Basic for Applications (VBA) classes. Here, you can learn how to use Excel's own programming language to automate repetitive tasks, which may ultimately save you time to be used on other projects. The intermediate lessons can reinforce these essential skills. You can discover how professionals use Power Query, pivot tables and DAX for data science and organization. Aspiring business analysts could learn to use slicers and forecast sheets to draw valuable insights. If you already consider yourself an Excel expert, you might still find value in these courses, as they highlight the latest functions and features released in 2021. This collection is provided by Stream Skill, an e-learning organization that specializes in creating high-quality training material. Founded in 2008, Stream Skill has since taught over 400,000 students worldwide, and some of its customers include professionals at Fortune 500 companies. Courses. This 12-course bundle provides over 70 hours of helpful training that beginners and Excel wizards alike may benefit from. You can purchase it right now for $35 or less than $3 per course. Prices subject to change. Engadget is teaming up with Stack Social to bring you deals on the latest headphones, gadgets, tech toys, and tutorials. This post does not constitute editorial endorsement, and we earn a portion of all sales. If you have any questions about the products you see here or previous purchases, please contact Stack Social.